Alright, so apparently my camera doesn't have zoom. I have to figure out how to do that. There was a cool owl hanging out in the tree right over here, but he took off. So anyways, I'm out here in the swamp out at Hal Scott Nature Preserve. I've walked off the trail quite a ways out into the swamp just because I've done the trail so many times. I'm kind of getting bored of it, so I wanted to come out into the woods and see what was out here. And I've found a swamp. Just kind of showing the shoreline a little bit of the little tiny tributary. This is all part of the little econ. So this is really cool right here. Look at this cypress tree. It's probably 7 feet wide. On camera just doesn't do it justice. Just like when I'm climbing the hills at Snow Hill, you can't really see how high things really go. And anyways, the proportionateness of everything is hard to read. But anyway, that tree's huge. It's pretty killer. It's cool being out here and just hearing all the animals and stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to walk back over here towards my bike. Trying to come up with ways to make my videos a little bit more interesting. I know it's just kind of the same old stuff of me being out in the woods. I don't really know what I could be doing differently to make it more exciting, but it is what it is. I'm not out here for really excitement. I'm just out here to explore and be out in the woods, away from all the freaking ding-dongs and idiots that have taken over Orlando, Florida. But yeah, that whole area back there was pretty cool. The whole swamp look to it. You couldn't pay me to go swimming in that. It's really cool out here. You can see over there, it's kind of like a grassland swamp with all the cypress trees coming out of it. There she is, the old red line. Yeah, so not much going on out here, that's for sure. And you definitely don't want to fall off your bike butt first onto one of these things. These are kind of everywhere, so you gotta be careful where you walk. It won't like stab your foot or nothing, it just will trip the shit out of you. And then you'll break your face on one of these when you go to fall on the ground, because they're at the right height to where your arms would not work to stop it. I hope I can find my way back to the trail. I'm sure I can, it's just this way. Funny, there's these bugs out here, and they're like little fatties, and they got these tiny wings, and they have to exert so much effort to fly, and you can just hear them beating the hell out of themselves with their wings as they buzz by you. Huh. That's cool. I really like the pattern on this tree. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. Well, there's the trail. See, I wasn't too far out there, but it was interesting. Alright then. Well, that was out there next to the little Econ. My arm hurts from holding my camera.